Hi friends, I am Ruben. In this video we discuss about the intraday rules. The 5 most important rules to follow before go to trade. Let's see here. The rule 1 is create your watch list. It means you have to select your own shares. There are so many shares in the share market, but you have to select your best shares, and you have also select the low volatile shares. It will select from the previous actions from the particular shares. So you have to select the volatility low in the particular share, means you can select it. And the next one is the rule 2. It means you have to focus on the one share. It means you can trade only the particular share. It means you can select a Reliance share, means you can focus on Reliance share, and you can trade every day in the particular share only. Then only you can know about the particular share is in downtrend or uptrend, or if it is overbought condition or oversold condition. And the next one is the rule 3 is always use stop loss. It will help your capital. It means if you go for the buy position, means if that particular share will comes against your direction, it will comes down, then your loss will reduce by stop loss. It will help in reduce your capital from the unnecessary downtrend. And the next one is the rule 4 is trend is our friend. You can always focus on the trend. Don't follow the indicators and other oscillators. Always focus on trend. If the downtrend, means you can always wait for the sell signal, and then if the uptrend, means you can wait for the retracement, then you can go for the buy signal. And the next one is the rule 5 is patience. Wait for your time. Don't always buy suddenly. Wait for your time. The particular share will comes down, then wait for your time. It will hit the support line or resistance line, then you can decide your buy or sell position. So wait for your time. That will give you a success. These are all the 5 important rules. These are very important to help you to get succeed in the share market. If you have any doubts in this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you friends.